Hello and welcome to the February edition of Beacon Insider. Just a quick update this month, but there's two very big impact features that we've released. So first up, we have a change to how the API works. So you can now add your orders via the API as well. So originally it was just container numbers that you could upload via API, but you can now get your orders into the platform via API as well. So super excited about that. And then, as we all know, it's more important than ever to be centralizing and standardizing our data so that we can produce accurate insights, add context, and make better decisions, which is why we've been working on making it even easier to get your data into the platform. So without further ado, I would like to show you the AI doc upload feature that we have launched. You can now upload your BOLs, packing lists, shipping documents via drag and drop, and we will extract the data and detect the shipments on that document. So you can see here we have uploaded the purchase order number and the bill of lading and the carrier, and then we will pick up the container numbers that are on that bill of lading as well. So I am going to click confirm and we will create those shipments in the platform, and then you will be able to view. So as you can see here, that PO is being created, the BOL is being created, and now we are fetching the data from the carrier. So yeah, as I mentioned, this is a super exciting step in the right direction for helping our customers get the most out of the platform, get as much information into the platform as quickly and as easily as possible. So yeah, it's a new feature. It's out in beta now. So we've got a couple of customers already making really good progress with using this, but we'd love to hear your feedback, questions, insights, any requests for this feature going forward. But that's all from me for this month, and we'll see you next month. Thank you.